2016 is a big year for global, national, and regional. So 2016 will be the year of implementation after all the agreements and we have signed in 2015. For example, like AEC 2015 of ASEAN countries or SDGs of United Nations. And also for us in Vietnam, 2016 is also the year that we witnessed 10 years of existence in Vietnam. And we can look back what we have done in the last 10 years and also looking forward. And also together with other entities or together with ASEAN Network to looking forward to ASEAN 2020. So the biggest question for our generation should be that how can we grow sustainably to achieve our organizational ambition and how we can grow, how can be external relevant but still keep our values of leadership development for young people. And especially for the product OGCDP, so it has been the focus of ASEAN in Vietnam since the day of establishment till now. And I strongly believe that it still have the potential to grow in it and it's still relevant to the Vietnam society. Yeah, and for the question for us in term 1670 is that how we can reach 10,000 life-changing experience for young Vietnamese students. I would like to focus on the collaboration in three scales. The first one is national scale with BD, how to engage OGCDP in national projects. The second one is regional collaboration from marketing in OGCDP. How can we upscale all the branding activities for this program and engage all the national partners into the activities that we have. And the last but not least, that the AP and Vietnam collaboration, how we can set the co-delivery and implementation for center satisfaction, also lead delivery for all the EPs to ensure the experience that our EPs will have. So if you want to deliver more and more life-changing experience with me, so I would love to have you on board this with me. So thank you for listening.